Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get the MetaMask card for spending crypto. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're looking to spend your crypto directly from your MetaMask wallet, the MetaMask card is a great option. Here's how you can get started. First, ensure you're living in an eligible country. The MetaMask card is currently available to users in Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, Mexico, the European Economic Area, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, and the United States. If you're not in one of these regions, you can join the waitlist for updates on availability in your area. Next, open your MetaMask wallet and navigate to the portfolio section. Tap on Menu button on top right corner. Click on the Card tab. You can join the waitlist for the release of the cards in your region from here. Tap on Login to make a new account for MetaMask Card or log into your existing account. Scroll down and tap on Create New Account. You will be prompted to set up an account with the MetaMask partner CryptoLife. This involves providing an email and password, confirming your phone number, and completing a Know Your Customer KYC verification process. I can't do all of those steps since this tutorial will get long and I am not eligible for the card. But you can do the remaining steps and get the option for the card at the end. And then you will be able to use the card virtually or order a physical one to your doorstep. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.